Hello, Gaurav. Good morning. How are
Yes, good morning, sir. How are you?
you? Good, fine. Gaurav, you applied for a front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Before starting, Gaurav, tell me about yourself.
Sir, thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Gaurav Saibro Sonane, and I am pursuing my college, pursuing my BCA from KJS my college, Kopergaon. I am skilled in Angular. I have good knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yes,
Then why?
my
Okay, go ahead.
my strength is I good learner, and my weakness is overthinking. That's it.
Can you explain your brief introduction about your previous job?
I'm enter TVC company, and my experience is there is very good. Uh, and I applying for the new opportunity to your company to get me. And
On which technology you work on previous in previous organization?
uh, what, sir?
On which technology you work in previous organization?
In Angular framework technology.
Okay, you work on Angular. Then why are you changing
Yes, sir.
your job?
Uh, uh, for I am changing this company is more opportunity to the um,
Okay, no problem. Then how much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
uh, all in out of four in out of three.
Okay, in all three. Okay, good.
All three in four rating.
Good. Gaurav, can you explain me what is difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
Uh, first of all, HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is create a web page or a dynamic interface. And HTML4, it is a latest version of HTML3. HTML5 is a latest version of HTML4, and it's include a new feature like uh, new feature like drag and drop, um, can drawing, and new symmetric tag like header, footer, and section in HTML5.
What is the reason behind we use symptic tag?
Uh, Behind the reason is when our page is page is uh, refresh easily, and page is more uh,
Okay, no. Uh, which type of advanced selector we use in CSS? Three.
Uh, Combinator selector and pseudo selector.
And
Pseudo selector.
can you elaborate it?
In a combinator selector, we have four types: child selector, uh, parent to child selector, journal sibling selector, mm, and in pseudo selector, which each have two types: pseudo element and pseudo classes. In pseudo classes is first letter, first line, uh, and pseudo classes in which we have nth of type, nth type, and after before. That's it.
Hmm. What is difference between nth of type and nth child?
Uh, nth of type is select first of type, and nth of child is selecting the
Nth of
uh,
child or nth child?
nth child.
Okay, go ahead.
uh, nth child and nth of type. Yes, son. uh, nth of type is select first of his child, and nth child is select uh,
Okay, no problem.
so,
Brush upon it. Okay, let's start with JAS. Okay.
okay, sir.
Can you differentiate between what is function declaration and function expression? Show me with one
uh,
example.
Function declaration and function expression.
Yes, what is difference between them?
Function expression, it is a function declaration. Function expression is a uh, both are hosting is possible, uh, and it gets before initialize, get before initialize, and function expression is uh, uh, it is a first class function, and
Hmm,
function declaration, it is a um, traditional function.
I say show me with one example. Share your screen first, and then show me.
function declaration.
Okay. Now,
It is a
function.
function expression.
Okay. No. No. Then, what is ternary operator?
Ternary operator is basically use if and else condition.
Can you show me also a small example?
Okay, sir. Mhm. Uh,
Okay.
sorry, sir.
Right.
देतो sir. So, ternary operator use this like
Okay. Question mark. Then hold on. Okay. What is index of last index of and caret?
index of is
Explain with
uh,
example. Explain with example.
sir. This is index of. It is used to index find the first of the.
Okay. And so can you increase the string at line number 4 after JavaScript, right? Welcome in the beautiful world of JavaScript. In the beautiful world of JavaScript, like that.
Welcome.
Beautiful world of JavaScript. In the beautiful world of JavaScript, like that. And like again, love. I love it. Now,
Uh,
how to find out index number of second law?
yes. Last index of. Last index of
Okay, open your HTML file. After the welcome, add the love word.
uh, okay, sir.
Love word. At line number 4. At line number 4, after the welcome, add the love word.
Okay, sir.
Gaurav, I see hard coded.
Uh,
Yes, type love. Yes. Again, after beautiful word, add love word. Yes. Then find out the index number of love word after beautiful word.
okay, sir.
Okay, Gaurav, you brush upon it after the interview. Now tell me, how many methods we use to extract this string?
Index of slice, substr, um, substring, concat, index of include,
Are you sure?
uh, includes, yes sir.
Oh, brush upon it again. Can you show me one example of slice?
Uh,
Can you explain?
uh, in uh, slice in last and first is non-mandatory. Mandatory. So,
And can you show me one example of splice?
splice.
Yes.
Splice is a array method, sir.
Then show me. Don't run it. First tell me what will be the
Uh,
output. Don't run it.
spl-
First tell me what will be the output, then run it. Okay.
Splice is used to uh, trim the splice, no, sir.
Yes, I see what it show me one example of splice.
Um,
Don't run it. First explain me. What?
in this, we can in zero index number, when we replace a 10 and 12 is removed for the array.
Okay. Suppose at line number 8 in splice in round braces you right you type 0 comma 2 1 comma 10. Okay. Uh, replace the one and make it
Zero is index number and one is
remove the one and instead of that two. Okay, now what will the
23 is remove in array and add in 10 on
sure,
the place of there.
sure.
Um, mm, sure, sir.
Okay, consolidate now. What
It's
happened?
only cut the array, slice the array. It's not last argument is not get it.
Why?
In the splice, we can slice the array.
Okay. Brush up on it properly. Okay, Gaurav.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Just a second. I'm sharing some declaration with you. Okay, Gaurav. I share some declaration with you in chat. Just copy it. Don't run it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just copy it and paste. And tell me what will be the output first. Don't run it.
Okay, sir. Uh, like this, sir.
Okay, save it and check. Okay. Now remove comment the line number 17 or remove comment or remove. Okay. Then line number 15. Good. Then at line number 19, remove this plus C. Then what will be the output? First tell me.
Maybe 20. E 10. 20.
Uh, Hello.
30 undefined.
Go.
30 undefined, sir.
Okay. Save it and check.
NN. Not number.
Okay, it's showing not a number. Okay. Check it after the interview. Now
Yes.
Uh, what is factory function and constructor function? Show me one example, small one example. Can you explain it?
Uh, Factory constructor is used to create a multiple object is to use and multiple instance we to create on the use of factory constructor.
Are you sure it's a
Uh,
factory function example?
Factory, no sir, it is a function constructor. Construction function it is.
Okay. Brush up on it. Huh?
Uh,
Okay. Now, what is restructuring array?
Destructuring of array, it is a way to extract the external it is a way to extract the external value of an array and
Show me.
assign them a new variable.
Show me one example. Okay. Now, uh, what is event bubbling and event capturing
Event bubbling,
and event capturing?
not about it's a
Not.
uh, I'm uh, not about it.
I'm not getting you.
Oh, yes.
Okay. What is the rest operator and spread operators? Show me one on both.
Spread operate. Spread operator. It is a spread operator.
Can you explain?
Uh, in a spread operator, we use to one object combine another object or specific declaration in.
I'm not getting you. Okay. And then what is rest operator?
Rest operator is basically used when we have a or two value and others value we not have declaration, when other value get in the uh, others declaration.
Show me one example on that.
Mm. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Check it after the interview. Again, I share one declaration with you in chat. Just copy it. Okay. Now, remove the duplicate element.
कार्यामध्ये भेटतं का सर? uh, one of in other way.
Okay. Okay. Well, now at line number 7, you use in square bracket dot dot news. What is this? Can you explain?
Sir, when I use a new set of line number 4, line number 5, and consulate is getting an object, and I spread the uh, uh, in function when it's getting in uh, array result.
Okay. And can you explain second way?
When reduce, it is a two parameter. It reduce have two parameter. First is the accumulator and second is current value. In A is uh, uh, in when A is uh, first taking a first argument, and C is taking uh, all two last element uh, of array, and in V A is empty, V is getting A is empty, and when A is not include of C means A in A is not include C, when A dot push C and return A, that means when
Okay. What is web storages?
web pages, it is HTML features, uh, uh, likes to store data. It is HTML feature that allows to you data to store uh, key and value pair in the browser. It's have two types: session storage and local storage. In a session storage, when page is refreshed or we can exit the page, data will be removed, and in local storage, data doesn't get expire.
Okay. Create us one small object, remove it above underscore. Yes. Create one small object and store in a local storage and show me.
Uh,
First, clear the local storage.
it is a local storage.
Yes, okay. How to set object in local storage? How to store? Show me.
Why, sir? What, sir?
I say store the one object in local storage. Then it's showing object. Why? Remove the object here. Okay. Yes, its value is showing object only. Why? Have you heard about JSON.bars, Stringify?
Yes, sir.
Then use it now. What is use of Stringify?
Stringify is basically use a JSON object convert into JavaScript object.
Are you sure? And what is parse? What is the use of parse?
No, sir. Parse is Stringify. Uh, parse is object is store.
Okay, brush up on it, Gaurav. Now, tell me what is closure with one example.
Closure means it is used to preserve variable for the outer scope function in the inner scope in the inner scope function.
Explain with me one example.
That is closure, sir.
Can you explain?
uh, in closure, uh, uh, this is create a lexical scope in their inner function.
Hello, Gaurav. Hello.
My mobile battery is dead.
Yes, your screen is visible. Share your screen first and explain what is closure.
Sir, closure is in this closure is in this lexical scope as create enclosure when inner function is a lexical scope is uh, x closure create lexical scope.
What is mean by lexical scope?
Lexical scope it is allows to inner function to access the upper scope to outer scope function, their outer scope function.
Okay, brush up on the it. Okay. What is mean by asynchronous behavior and what is solution on that?
Asynchronous it is a single threaded and it's a blocking architecture so that code run execute sequentially one by one. When we use a browser API, browser API to remove the uh, synchron asynchronous synchronous synchronous का asynchronous sir?
I say what is asynchronous behavior?
uh, Asynchronous is blocking architecture, not blocking architecture, so that function will be execute depends upon another function to run the task simultaneously.
Oh, what is callback hell?
Callback hell is uh, uh, a past way of when API call when a function execute depend a function depend another function to execute.
I'm not getting you. Okay, brush up on it. What is promise?
Promise it is a JavaScript object uh, JavaScript object to use to handle asynchronous operation uh, asynchronous operation. It's have four states pending, fulfill, reject, and settle. In pending, waiting for the result. Uh, Reject promise is when promise is a success. In settled promise is failed and in fulfill promise either be success or rejected. It's have advantages of this. It is easy to read and handle async operation better.
What is async await? Can you show me one example?
Uh, uh, sir, I don't about it. Sir. Definition is known, but not.
That's going to be okay, no problem. What is oops?
Oops is the uh, concept of it. OOPS is stand for object oriented programming. It is a concept of JavaScript. Um,
And
it is a programming interface.
what is meant by interface?
Uh, like the structure of their
Okay, what is prototype?
every object have internal property that's called prototype. Prototype is a simple reference to another object. That's a common attributes and method which will be saved in memory.
Okay. Suppose we have 1 to 100 numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How to count how many numbers, how many zero present in there in that range,
Uh,
1 to 100 range?
okay, sir.
Show me that logic. Okay, Gaurav. uh, you try it after interview.
Okay, sir.
Now, now create a one array. In that array, add element 1, 2, 3, 4, comma. Uh, take any random 7, 8, 0, and 4, 5, 6, like that. At least four element.
Uh,
Not like that.
Tested array.
Remove the remove this. Remove the 1, 2, 3. All these. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. I can take 4. Remove the comma. Okay, 4, comma. Then 7, 6, 5, 3, 5, 4, comma. Then 2, 7, 8. Reverse the number on same digit.
This is a reverse algorithm, sir.
The output will be like that way in array 4, 3, 1,
Uh,
4, 3, 2, 1, comma 5, 6, 5, 7, comma 4, 5, 3, comma 8, 7, 2, like that way. Okay.
Sir, sorry, sir. I'm not getting a algorithm of reverse array.
Okay. What is mean by palindrome?
Uh, Palindrome it is a particular name. We can reverse or whenever we can. It is same. Uh, is a palindrome.
Okay, we have last question. Can you show me one example on Fetch API?
Okay, sir.
Create a database and show me like that way. Take any dummy API, mm, Google. Okay, Gaurav, done from my side. You try it after the interview. Another candidate is waiting for me. Do you
Okay,
have
sir.
any question for me?
No, sir. I what I can do improve myself
Uh,
better.
Ravi sir will send you feedback.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.